Hello, and welcome to the Auto Traction channel. In today's feature, we explore the rugged power and advanced engineering behind the 2026 Scania G-Series 4x4 truck, a vehicle built to conquer terrain, deliver performance, and provide unmatched reliability in extreme conditions. The G-Series has always been about practicality and strength, and the 2026 model brings even more to the table with smarter systems, tougher build quality, and refined comfort for long hauls and off-road missions alike. Let's start with what powers this beast. Under the hood is a high-torque Scania inline-6 engine, available in multiple configurations depending on market needs. With outputs ranging up to 540 horsepower, this engine delivers peak torque from low RPMs, allowing the G-Series 4x4 to tow, haul, and climb with total ease. Whether you're crossing construction zones, logging trails, or mountainous terrain, the Scania drivetrain is tuned for constant power delivery across all four wheels. The intelligent all-wheel drive system in the 2026 version has been refined to respond quicker to surface changes. On slippery, loose, or uneven roads, the power shifts automatically to the wheels that need it most. Paired with a durable suspension system and improved ground clearance, this truck can handle steep inclines, river crossings, and remote locations without compromising payload. Inside the cab, comfort meets functionality. Drivers are met with an ergonomic environment complete with premium seating, panoramic visibility, and a fully digital dashboard. The Scania Smart Dash system brings navigation, diagnostics, and driver assistance into one intuitive interface. Add in automatic climate control, smartphone connectivity, and lane guidance, and you have a cabin designed not just for driving, but for endurance. Safety is a major highlight in the 2026 Scania G-Series. It features adaptive cruise control, electronic stability support, rollover prevention systems, and all-round camera monitoring. Whether you're navigating city streets or remote forests, the truck's system keeps the driver informed and in control. Utility remains a core strength. The G-Series 4x4 supports a variety of body configurations, from tipper beds and cargo boxes to specialized attachments for firefighting, mining, or military support. Its modular chassis makes it adaptable for multiple industries, and the ease of service access means less downtime and more productivity on the field. Scania has also improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, meeting the latest global standards without compromising output. This makes the truck not only strong, but also environmentally responsible. In every way, the 2026 Scania G-Series 4x4 is a workhorse that balances brute strength with smart innovation. Built to endure, designed to perform, and engineered to lead, it's ready to redefine off-road logistics. Thanks for watching Auto Traction channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the world's most powerful machines.